It's fiesta here in my barangay in Pasay. But today, we're going to Merced Bakery up in Quezon City, Quezon Avenue. So you're like, oh, so how do I get, if I live in Pasay or if I live in Manila, how do I get to Merced Bakery in Quezon City? Well, from here, we're going to the LRT. And then from the LRT, we're going to take the LRT straight to the EDSA station, then switch from the LRT to the MRT. MRT, EDSA, going all the way to Quezon Ave. And then from there, we'll walk. MRT? MRT po. You have to go there. Go down here. So, got the MRT here. Let's go. So, we're going to Quezon Avenue. We're at the start, going almost to the end. So we're here at Quezon Avenue. You can see the LRT station just behind me. We now need to go to the overpass, which is here. You can see the riders from downstairs. Rider, kamusta? The move it downstairs there. You can see him. Jesus! Merced Bake Shop. From the LRT station up to here, there's like, 6 minutes walk. Super easy to get here from Manila or from Pasay. Alright. The main reason why we came here to Merced Bake Shop here at Quezon City was for the Beehives. It's the Beehives when I was growing up as a kid. And there we go. Look at that. Mission successful. It's 50 pesos for one beehive. Can't touch it. So, can't take it out. But anyways, it's 50 pesos for one beehive. And I got 8 to bring back to the homies in Pasay. We got our beehives. Now it's time to go back to the LRT and go back home.